Hello guys and welcome to windowsreport.com. In this video we're going to talk about the automatic maintenance, and I'm going to try to show you a few solutions in case the automatic maintenance is unavailable on your Windows 10 operating system. So for those of you who don't know, automatic maintenance is a series of system maintenance tasks that Windows schedules for 2 a.m. by default. So the error that I mentioned earlier could be caused or is usually caused by a corrupted task scheduler. So in this video I'm going to show you a few solutions that you can do to solve the problem. You can open the system maintenance troubleshooter. This way Windows can tell you what's the problem. To open it, you're going to have to click on the search box and then type in there control and open the old control panel from Windows. Then in the new window that appears, you're going to have to scroll down and click on troubleshooting, and here you're going to have to go and click on view all, and in this list you're going to have to locate system maintenance. Just click on it and this new window will appear. Click on next and Windows will automatically detect the issues and will also try to fix them if it can. Another good thing that you should try to do is to make sure that your Windows operating system is up to date. Having the latest version of Windows is very important in case of errors like this, because the latest version can always fix many other errors, not only this one. To check if you're up to date or to see if there are any other updates to be installed on your Windows operating system, you're going to have to click on the start menu and then go to settings. Here in settings you're going to have to scroll down to update and security and click on it, and here in the Windows Update tab, you'll see that Windows will automatically check for updates and will let you install them when you're ready. The final solution from this video is a solution that you should try only when you're desperate to fix the problem. Maybe none of these solutions worked for you. In this case, you can reset the Windows operating system. Windows 10 has a feature where you can reset your Windows operating system without losing any personal files. You're only going to use your programs and your drivers and your personal settings from those programs. If you want to do this and have a clean Windows 10, you're going to have to click on the start menu and then click on settings. Here in settings, you're going to have to type in here reset and search for a specific setting. You're going to have to click on reset this PC, and here you're going to see that in the reset this PC section, you can click on get started. You're going to be asked by Windows whether you want to keep your files or not. So I'm thinking that you will want to keep your files, so just select keep my files, and here you're going to see that resetting will remove all apps and programs that didn't come with this PC, change settings back to their defaults, and reinstall Windows without removing your personal files. What you have to do next is just click on reset. Windows will restart. The process could take for about 10 to 15 minutes depending on your speed of your hard drive or SSD, and after that you're going to see that all the problems should be fixed because you're going to have a clean install of Windows. So I'm hoping that this video helped you and you managed to solve the automatic maintenance problem. So this was the video, guys. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell activated so you won't miss any future uploads. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below with problems that you have on your Windows operating system, and we can try to solve your issue in the next video. Until next time, have a nice day.